The Samsung Galaxy M13. Alright, let's dive in. What is up guys, it's Matthew again. In this video, I bring you the Samsung Galaxy M13. The Samsung Galaxy M13 is going to be released in the month of June. That is this month or next month, the month of June 2022. It's going to be released in 3 colors, that is the blue, green and orange. It has a height of 6.51 inches and a width of 3.03 inches. It has a plastic rear and frame material. The Galaxy M13 is no doubt a kind of downgrade and an upgrade of the Galaxy M12. Looking at the display, the Galaxy M13 has a PLS TFT display technology, a 60Hz refresh rate, a 20:9 aspect ratio, a tempered glass screen protection. Just imagine, 60Hz refresh rate. I'm rating the display 3 stars. For the battery, it has a 5000 mAh battery capacity plus a charging power of 15 watts. In the performance aspect, it has Samsung Exynos 850 chipset plus 8 nanometers lithography process. It has 8 CPU cores plus 2000 MHz max clock. Lest I forget, it comes with Android 12. For this aspect, I'm going to rate it 2.5. In the storage, the Samsung Galaxy M13 has 2 kind of versions of storage. There is the 4GB RAM to a storage space of 64GB, and there is a 4GB RAM to a storage space of 128GB. It also allows memory card, that is micro SD, up to 1TB. For this aspect, I think I'm going to rate it 3 stars. Coming down to the camera section, this is one of the aspects that a little upgrade was made. For the camera, it has a 50 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 2 megapixel depth lens. It cannot shoot video in 8K or 4K. It can only shoot 1080 pixels video at 30 frame rate per second. I'm going to rate this aspect 3 stars. Additional info: the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi connectivity ain't that bad. It supports no 5G. It has 2G down to 4G. The maximum SIM card allowed is 2, and the only size of SIM card is nano. So you can only use nano sizes of SIM card in the phone. Galaxy M13 has mono speakers, headphone audio jack, and a version 2 Type-C USB. For more information on this phone, I'll be giving you a link below in the description box. So if you need any information on this phone, just click the link below. This is it for the Galaxy M13 specs video, guys. Please, if you got anything from this video, I would like you to subscribe, and also just tell me your mind about what you feel on this video, if it's good or not. Please, I want to know your mind. I will see you at the other side, guys. Ut proficere.